Remind us, Nick, what SunTrack does, because that's I think that I regard that as the secret sauce that brings your amperage down by a factor of 7 or so.
Yes, yes. So SunTrack is a device that's a solar thermal collector, heat collector that goes between the compressor there on the far left and the condenser on the far right. So you can see the SunTrack panel uh, inserted in the circuit in between. It essentially does the job of both the compressor and the condenser. So you'll actually see the hot gases coming out of the compressor, going into the SunTrack and changing state to a liquid. So the SunTrack increases the pressure on the gas to such an extent that around halfway as it flows through the SunTrack panel, it changes state from gas to liquid. And when it changes to liquid, it dumps heat at a rapid rate. So on a commercial, on that 30-ton chiller, we saw the exit temperature from the SunTrack being around 131 degrees Fahrenheit. The entry, and this is in the height of summer here in Hawaii, where we're in the low 90s. The entry temperature of the liquid, now the liquid refrigerant, as it entered the condenser, was 91 degrees. So we saw a near 40-degree drop in temperature in around 15 feet of pipe. Our MEPE was flabbergasted. He measured that again and again and again, but the temperature drop was further verified by the fact that the thermal controlled fans on the condenser didn't turn on. There was nothing, they didn't need to pull air through there to cool anything, because as soon as that 91-degree ambient liquid hit the condenser fins, whatever heat it had left to dump, it dumped instantly. And on a 30-ton chiller, the size of the condenser coil, it's like a wall, right? It's like a U-shaped wall. It's pretty big. And that, you can put your hand on it and the entire surface is cooler than ambient. And the other thing is, it's right next to the water. It's in Honolulu Harbor. The anti-corrosion coating, which is this green coating that they spray on, normally within a year or two, it's gone. It's pristine. That green coating is as good as it was in the first month of installation. So that condenser coil, it's now been there since late 2018, early 2019. We're talking at least 3 years of nothing degrading that condenser coil, the coating. And this is why carrier engineers, they swear by it now. In Hawaii, carrier engineers are working side by side with us to sell SunTrack.